again, my friends, as always, I'm your teacher Cedric. So in today's video tugiye kurebera hamwe ibibazo bigera kuri 30 biri mu bwoko bwa multiple choice, akaba ari ibibazo n'ibisubizo byo ku nkuru ntoya cyangwa se short story, the war of the ears cyangwa intambara y'amatwi, ikaba yaranditswe na Moses Isegawa. These questions cover key aspects such as plot, characters, themes and literary devices. Ibibazo rero bigenda byibanda kuri key aspects, ubwo ni ukuvuga plot, characters, themes ndetse na literary devices cyangwa se literary techniques. Let's begin with the question number 1. Who is the headmistress of the rural primary school? Ese ninde directrice w'ikigo cyo mu cyaro cya primaire? A. Mabida. B. Colonel Kalu. C. Bida. D. The doctor. Ese ni docteur, ni Bida, ni Colonel Kalu, ese ni Mabida? Ninde directrice w'iki kigo cyo mu cyaro dusanga muri iyi nkuru ntoya cyangwa se muri iyi short story, the war of the ears, intambara y'amatwi. Yes guys, let's check out the real answer. The answer is A. Mabida. Mabida niwe headmistress of the rural primary school. Let's go with the question number 2. What is the name of Mabida's son? Ese izina ry'umuhungu wa Mabida ni irihe? A. Kalo. B. Bida. C. Musa. D. Kanja. Se izina ry'umuhungu wa Mabida ni irihe muri aya ngaya? The real answer is Bida. Umuhungu wa Mabida ni Bida. Ikibazo cya 3. What does Mabida receive that threatens her school? Ese ni igiki uyu mu headmistress cyangwa se uyu mu directrice yakira ugasanga nyine kibangamiye cyangwa se giteye ubwoba ikigo cye? Threatens her school. Ya A. A court order. Ni urupapuro rumutumiza kujya mu rukiko. A. No. B. A phone call. Ese ni telefone imuhamagara. C. A threatening letter. Ese ni ibaruwa iri kumutera ubwoba. D. A newspaper article. Ese ni amakuru mu kinyamakuru nyine yaza kumutera ubwoba cyangwa se yatera ubwoba ikigo cye. What does Mabida receive that threatens her school? Among those 4 answers, let's check out the real answer. The real answer is C. A threatening letter. Ni ibaruwa iba imutera ubwoba. Ikibazo cya 4 kikabaza kiti who signs the threatening letter? Ese iyo baruwa ibiri kumutera ubwoba ninde uba wayisinye, ninde uyisinya? A. President. Ese ni perezida. B. Colonel Kalu. C. Mabida. D. Ni Bida. Let's check out the real answer. The answer is B. Colonel Kalu. Colonel Kalu, uyu musirikare nyine wo mu nyeshyamba ziba zarigometse kuri leta, niwe uba wasinye kuri iyo baruwa. Bibutse ko ibi basaba kugira iki, gufunga ikigo. Icya 5. What group does Colonel Kalu represent? Ese ni irihe tsinda Colonel Kalu aba ahagarariye? A. The National Army. Ingabo z'igisirikare, ingabo z'igihugu. B. Guards Victorious Brigades. Ese ni Guards Victorious Brigades, ijya tsinda ry'inyeshyamba. C. The Educational Board. Ikigo cy'intuza cy'uburezi. D. The Village Council. Ese abahagarariye ubuyobozi bw'icyo cyaro. What is the real answer of this question number 5? Here is the real answer. B. Guards Victorious Brigades. Ijya tsinda ry'inyeshyamba, iri niryo zina ryazo rimwe riba niryo riba represented by Colonel Kalu. Question number 6. What does the letter demand Mabida to do? Ese iyo baruwa ibisaba Mabida gukora iki? A. Expand the school. Kwagura ikigo. B. Close the school. Gufunga ikigo. C. Hire more teachers. Gutanga akazi cyangwa se guha akazi abarimu benshi. D. To relocate the school. Guhindura location ya school, akahindura ikigo akakijyana ahandi. What is the real answer for the question number 6? Here it is. B. Close the school. Iyo letter, iyo threatening letter from Colonel Carroll iba iri kubasaba yuko bafunga ikigo. Question number 7. How does Mabida react to the threat? Ese uyu Mabida cyangwa se uyu directrice cyangwa uyu headmistress w'iki kigo asubiza cyangwa se reacting cyangwa se nyine asubiza iyo baruwa gute? Ese yubahiriza ibyo biri kumusaba cyangwa ntabyo yubahiriza? Like that. A. She closes the school immediately. Ahita afunga ikigo muri ako kanya. B. She seeks police protection. Aza gushaka umutekano w'abapolisi ngo bamurinde. C. She remains determined to keep the school open. Agumya kumva yiyemeje, agumya kwiyemeza kugira iki, kureka ikigo kikaguma gifunguye. D. She flees the village. Aza guhunga icyo cyaro. What is the real answer? Here it is, guys. The answer is C. She remains determined to keep the school open. Yiyemeza kugumya gufungura ikigo kikagumya kigakora, ntabwo ayifunga. Question number 8. Where is the setting of the story? Ese iyi story yacu, inkuru yacu ibera hehe? Ni igihe ki iberamo? A. Urban city. Ese ibera mu mujyi? B. Coastal town. Ese ibera mu nkengero z'umujyi? C. Rural village in Uganda. Ese iba mu cyaro cyo muri Uganda? D. Desert region. Ese ibera ahantu mu butayu? Let's check out the real answer. The real answer is rural village in Uganda. Ibera mu cyaro cyo muri Uganda. Ikibazo cya kino kikabazo kiti, what is the primary theme of the story? Ese insanganyamatsiko nyamukuru y'iyi nkuru ni iyihe? A. Love and betrayal. Urukundo ndetse n'ubugambanyi. B. Education and resistance. Uburezi ndetse na resistance cyangwa se no kurwanya. To resist, to oppose, to refuse, to accept, kurwanya. C. Economic development. Iterambere ry'ubukungu. D. Environmental conservation. Gusigasira ibidukikije. What is the main theme or the primary theme of the story? Let's check out the real answer, guys. The answer is B. Education and resistance. Uburezi ndetse no kurwanya cyangwa se kwigwanaho cyangwa kurwanya ibintu, like to refuse, to accept, kwanga kwakira ibintu cyangwa se to oppose. Yeah. Question number 10. What does the story highlight about rebel groups? Ese iyi story cyangwa iyi nkuru igaragaza iki ku bijyanye n'inyeshyamba ziba zarigometse? A. Their role in community development. Uruhare rwabo mu guteza imbere community cyangwa umuryango mugari w'abantu. Their support for education. Uruhare rwabo mu gushyigikira uburezi. C. The intimidation tactics against civilians. Uburyo bakoresha bari gutera ubwoba abasivili cyangwa abaturage. D. Their diplomatic negotiations. Uburyo bakora negotiation cyangwa se mu bya diplomasi, nyine uburyo habaho ibiganiro mu bya diplomasi. Ese muri ibyo byose ni iki iyi nkuru igaragaza ku bijyanye na rebel groups? C. The answer is C. The intimidation tactics against civilians. Iyi nkuru iba iri kutugaragariza uburyo bakoresha nyine bari gutera ubwoba aba civilian cyangwa abaturage basanzwe. Let's go with the question number 11. How does the community view Mabida? Ese community cyangwa se abantu nyine muri rusange cyangwa umuryango umugari w'aho ngaho community ibona ute Mabida? A. As a traitor. Imubona nk'umugambanyi. B. As a symbol of resistance. Imubona nk'ikimenyetso cyo kurwanya abantu, cyo opposing ibintu, kurwanya abantu cyangwa se umwanzi. C. As an outsider. Ese imubona nk'umuntu nyine newcomer like that, nk'umuntu uturutse hanze, umuntu bamwita umunyukama. outsider, yeah, like that. D, as a government spy, se bamubona nk'amaneko ya leta. Yeah, let's go with the answer. Answer is B, as a symbol of resistance. Bamubona nk'ikimenyetso cyo kurwanya ibitagenda neza, kurwanya umwanzi, to oppose, to refuse to accept what the rebels want her to do. Yeah. Question number 11. What literal device is prominent in the story? Ese ni iyi literal device igenda igarukaho cyane muri iyi nkuru cya poetic device? No, muri poetry, ahubwo na narrative technique cyangwa se literary technique. Yeah. A, allegory. Ese ni allegory aho ya nkuru ya literal device nyine usanga nyine ibintu byose biri kubera mu nkuru hari ibyo biri symbolizinga in a real world, cyangwa se uko ibintu bimeze mu isi ya nyayo. B, irony. Irony cyangwa se nituvuga irony wumve nyine uburyo bakoresha, umwanditsi akoresha amagambo ariko hari ikintu ashaka kugaragaza, ariko nyine ntakoreshe ku buryo ayo magambo nayakoresha ataraba asobanuye nk'uko yabivuga, hari ikindi kintu yaraba ashaka kugaragaza, cyangwa kenshi na kenshi ugasanga ari gukoresha opposite, ariko nyine ikabikora mu buryo bwo gusetsa, ni humorous context. Ese ni satire cyangwa ubuse? Ese ni hyperbole, yeah, literary technique ikoresha za exaggerations. So guys, what the literary device which is prominent in the story War of the Years? Here is the real answer. The answer is B, iron. Let's go with the question number 13. What does the title The War of the Years symbolize? Iyi title cyangwa se izina ry'iki gitabo cyangwa iyi nkuru yacu, iyi short story The War of the Years, intambara y'amatwi, bisobanuye iki cyangwa se bishatse kugaragariza iki? A, a literal battle involving ears, intambara y'amagambo ikigwamo uruhare n'amatwi, involving ears, hifashishijwe amatwi. B, the struggle to listen and be heard amid this conflict, urugamba rwo kugira wumve ndetse no kumvwa hagati mu makimbirane. C, a traditional dance, ese imbyino gakondo. D, a medical condition, condition nyine mu by'ubuzima, medical condition. Yeah, let's check out the real answer. Yeah, symbolization of the War of the Years. The real answer is B, the struggle to listen and be heard amidst the conflict, urugamba rwo kugira ngo wumve ndetse no kugira ngo wumvwe mu gihe hariho amakimbirane. Question number 14. What does Mabida's determination represent? Ese kura kwiyemeza kwa Mabida bigaragaza iki? A, stubbornness, kuba umufungamutwe. B, hope and resilience, kuba bigaragaza icyizere ndetse n'ubudaheranwa. C, ignorance, ubujiji. D, defiance without cause. Defiance means from verb to defy, means to challenge someone, or brave, to defy an enemy, kurwanya umwanzi ariko nta mpamvu. The answer is B, hope and resilience, icyizere ndetse cyangwa se byiringiro ndetse n'ubudaheranwa. Yeah. Question number 15. What is the tone of the story? Ese tone y'iyi story ni iyihe? A, humorous, ese irasekeje. B, sarcastic, ese niyo gusebanya. C, serious and contemplative, ese iri serious ntabwo isekeje, without humor like that, and contemplative harimo ibintu byo kureba ku mpande zose, ibintu nk'ibyo, harimo gutekereza cyane. Mu gihe D ni tone iri joyful cyangwa se nyine y'ibyishimo like that. Let's check out the real answer. The real answer is just C, serious and contemplative. Tone y'iyi nkuru ntabwo irimo ibintu byo gusetsa, ntabwo isekeje, iri serious bya seriye, noneho hakazamo n'ibintu byo gutekereza cyane, kureba ku mpande zombi, cyangwa se thoughtful, meditative. To contemplate means to look at on all its aspects, all sides, or yeah.